Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu and you're watching Encyclohub. In this video, we are discussing question number 3B. Before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing here the question number. So we are here for providing the PDF and the handwritten assignments. For if you need this assignment, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp, which is 900-936-8238, so that we will provide all the assignments accordingly. So here the 3B is on the basis of your observations. Identify any four causes of land degradation in your area. So this question is taken from the lesson 40, and this question is about 40 to 60 words. We have prepared all the answers according to the chapter and according to the word limit. If you need this, contact us today so that we will provide all the answers accordingly. Thank you so much for watching. If you have another queries, contact us today so we will provide accordingly of your answers of your queries. Thank you.